Done out with this. I am absolutely love this. And you can do it. There's different colors in there's 8 color total for the cat eyes collection. So I'm go ahead and applies it on. And now if you don't want it to be affected the cat eyes, you don't want to need to using anything, but if you want to, you can go ahead and using the magnetics tool. And now we're gonna just hold it in like angle of 45-degree angle, and then just leave it up. Just give it a little bit of the effects, and then I'm go ahead and key for 60 seconds. And then on this nails, we are going to do the teal is a Weaver gels, and it's as a lot of many videos I share with you, super quick, simple DIY tool you can do with the sticks, like toothpicks, I think. And you're using the Scotch tape and the tape for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, however you want. You can do 2, you can do 3, 4, 5, and tape it together to give you a really cool like strokes. 5 different lines, 3, 4 different lines at the same time. So in this design, I'm gonna using teal, the Weaver gels, really stringy and really consistency. What's the other one? This one.
You don't want it? You can go pop it in.
Yeah, give me that.
Yep.
I'm gonna open that.
Take that chance to remind you guys. So currently we do still have a few days left for our anniversary sale. For our 4th year anniversary sale, right? Yep. And you can get up to 8% off, and along with $100 e-gift card to spend in the next month of April. So you still want that? There's a few more days left for that. So make sure you get in there.
So today's the 28th. So there are 3 more days left to receive a $100 Glitz e-gift cards with, you know, like it's gonna be shipped along with your order, and then you can use it in the futures. So we have a teal right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get the nails. And we are going to make sure that I am in the screen. So this is some of the nails. I'm going to move it on the sides. It's really super cute. And you can watch them from our IGTV. I save everything there for you. So, is that good?
Yeah,
so I'm going to pick the string and pick it up. I just want to have a soft look. If you want your string to be thicker, you can dip a little bit more and pick up more color. Okay. Super adorable. And if you want it like just like that, here for 60 seconds. So now, if a lot of clients just want just simple as it is, or is the plan of the designs is just want that, because each of layers will be is priced differently. Then clients, oh, I love that Weaver gels, and that's all I want. And then the 2 rings finger, I want something fancy. Then you can add more crystal. If the clients don't want anything else, you can definitely leave it there, and you are good to go. I'm go ahead and gonna continue with the crystal designs. I am go ahead and using the crystal trifecta. So now the suggestion, the best advice I would give, if you already have a brush and a crystal pickers, then you should go with the crystal trifecta, because you already have a crystal pickers and the twin tip brush. But if you don't have everything, you are starting with a crystals like technique, complete toolkit is gonna be the best way to go and will last, and definitely it was your investment. So because I have a crystal pickers and then twin tip brush, so I'm gonna using crystal trifecta, which is the condensed glue gel, no web top coat, and precision glue gels. And your crystal will go nowhere but stay on the nails until the next time you are going to do the new designs. So I'm go ahead and using a twin tip brush, pick up some condensed glue gels. This is standard condensed glue gel, however it's a thick condensed glue gels for the flat back, chain, charms, and any of the elements. And if you are using the bigger crystal, which is pointed back or cluster, you are going to use a triple thick condensed glue gel is available now, so then you can able to grab them. So I'm gonna go ahead and using no wipe top coat floating right on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel. So between condensed glue gels and the no wipe top coat, it will actually grab the base of your crystal, stay in really nice place. So I'm go ahead and using this. I'm gonna show you where I get this one from. My favorites. This is my favorites out of like so many other favorites. This is my favorites kits, I have to say, because I use so much out of this, and the color is so beautiful. It's not only work for all season, you can do it springtime, summertime, even in the fall, or even in the holidays as well. It has every single colors it offers, and then it has so much of the shape and 1,000 of elements of a smaller SS filler. I don't think you need another one for like the next 10 years. Just kidding. If you are finished in 1 month, congratulations, you make so much of extra income in it. But there's so many of elements and frame and charms and bead in here that you don't have to wear for a long time. Great investments for great value for your investment. So I picked the shape out of that, and then there's a bigger crystals. I got it from the Easter collectible mix bags. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the frame, which is I got from the kids. I love to put the kids in here. Sometimes it's just like it's focused on the kids more than on the nails. So I'm gonna leave the kids is out there just in case you wanted to see it again. I am happy to get that one again. So I'm pick some of the fillers out in the tray right here, so then that way it's easier for me. And I can add some beads on. Now, a lot of clients don't want any beads. A lot of clients also want a lot of beads, so it's really depend on your clients. So I'm using is metal frame, which is the gold metal frame. You can use silver and metal frames. You incorporate is either way that works is best for you. The best thing about condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat is not going to dry to cure or to set in a place until you are going to key under the LED light. So as you see that I can adjusting it the crystal however I am prefer. I'm gonna add some beads on between the crystal and frame. And as long as you get the crystal is really close, tight together, you will never go wrong with this. I'm going to make sure that I'm going to this direction so I won't get it crooked on one end, one side. Okay. And I'm going to get a couple of the cuties right there. Just a random one. Okay, one more. Good. Cool. You happy with this? We are going to cure this for 60 seconds. All right. See.